Alright, I gotta cut this lip all off. So, I think the first thing we'll do is put this on. Then we'll put these on. So, just like that. Huh? Safety first. Then we'll take the grinder. Because that's one of the most dangerous weapons we got here at the time. Alright, yesterday I fabricated this piece because there's no bot. We cut all that off because it was all messed up and previous people welding on it. So what we've done is we got this here. Well, I said we did. There we go. I fabricated this piece. It's still a little long, but we can trim it to fit afterwards. So we can get a good body line. Like that there. So, now that we have this piece, before I can weld that on and trim this here to fit this, the problem being, take this all out so you don't get confused and I don't break it. Bend it or something. Set it over here. Alright, the problem being is we got a hump right in here in the body. This has all been hit, pushed in. And the trunk doesn't fit quite right because this has to come back up. And when we level the trunk out, it even gets worse here. The body line is something I can work with. That's not a problem. What I got to do is move this up from here to about here. So if I get it this jacked up, get rid of this bump, I probably need two jacking points. One here and one in here inside. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to try to get this back up where it belongs. So if you guys bear with me, it's going to take a while to get it set up, so I'll come back to you when I get that all set up. Alright, as I said earlier, we got to raise this up to match the curvature of this. The problem with doing this is low from here out, down to about here. So, as we pull it, it wants to suck this side that way down here, so I'll have to cut all the spot welds and relieve the pressure there. But this thing, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. We got a strap around this. This is the brace for the hinges. So what we've done, we put a strap around it to hold it, and then I'll jack out here to see if we can raise this area, because before I was jacking here and it was raising all of that, and so I wasn't gaining anything because it was bending this here. So I'm trying to keep that down, and then I'll pull this up, push this up and pull that down at the same time. So cross your fingers, we'll see if this works or not. Alright, we got pressure under here, our strap is holding. Now this bump right here, I mean, it's a transition to the pump, so you can't take it all out, but it's pumped out pretty good. little better. Not as big a bump as we had. Well, let's see what other kind of damage we can do. Well, we'll let everything off and see what happens. See if we gained anything at all. If we did, we'll go at it again. Alright, I gotta pull this back this way. It's coming though. Anything. I do believe it has. A little bit. Better. Let's see what that's done, if anything. Oh yeah. Want to take a look at this? See how happy you are?
I'm ecstatic.
Well, we'll see.
Yeah. Coming in, huh? Yeah, you're good there? Oh, the top is much better.
Yeah.
I don't think that last little bit, because we still got filler.
Yeah, we still got a bunch of filler in here.
So, we're pretty good, actually.
And by the time we bring that filler out to here...
There's a tiny little thing, but I think these are supposed to have a little piece of rubber under them.
Yeah, they are.
So,
yeah.
Whether I buy it or make it.
Okay, so all I gotta do now is cut this off.
Yeah, did that get, is it solid now? I mean, I know you got to weld it.
I gotta put that brace back in.
Do we need to brace it up under there, Fruity?
No.
You moved it, so it should be good. Yeah,
I
you moved it off.
Feel your dent over here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So that brought a lot of this up when I brought that in.
Yeah. Oh, messed
Yeah.
with a pick in there?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, no, that's, I mean,
You
I
gotta
feel
have-
something, but it's weird.
Yeah,
there.
well, you got to transition from this. See, this is
This curve to this dent,
Right.
reverse curve, and then this
yeah. You got a lot of
outside curve
compound
again.
curves right in this one
Yeah.
area. You got it coming down here and here. Then you got this here.
No, that's
you got a
good.
transition line right here.
Yeah. And it's there, but that's all good.
Yeah, so we'll have to work on it from here. Yeah, a hump. But that big bump is gone.
The big bump's gone, and this is perfectly satisfactory. Move that gap over a little. Is
Yeah.
that what you were thinking?
Yeah.
How's that side didn't change? Because it's always been.
Actually, the whole trunk can go that way.
It's, yeah, it could. Yeah, it's a pretty big reveal over here.
Yeah, the whole thing can come this way. So I'm thinking I'll loosen it up,
Loosen the hinges
slide it over a little.
and then figure out what you need
What
to
we
do
need
here.
over there, yeah. Let's get this gap here, and then we can work on it, because I know I gotta fix that gap. So
Yeah.
we'll get this gap first. And a partridge in a pear tree.
I love it.
Come on. A little heat and beat and bend to fit. But.
Oh yeah.
Alright. So, the next trick, what the, I won't do that. It's never done that before, and it never works. Gotta be an easier way. That'll work back here. Okay. What we're up to now is coffee time. I'm going to shut you down.